Keys of the Kingdom Ministries presents Restoration of Families 4. Theme: As for me and my house, standing for righteousness, holiness, and family values. We're located at number 8 Rudolpho Lane in Dabadie. Come and experience 3 powerful services on Thursday 19th and Friday 20th September at 7 p.m., Sunday 22nd September at 8:30 a.m. Prayer and deliverance for the entire family, hosted by Pastor Christopher Peru. Bring your family and friends to a life-changing experience. For more information, please contact 295-6239 or 749-2033. See you there.